So hey guys, welcome to FlareBlitz Collectibles. So ngayon where we are going to attempt to na mahuli to capture that Tyranitar.
Tyranitar! Dark Pulse!
That butike na gusto nating makuha sa Battle Styles packs na to. So yun, I have spare Battle Styles packs here. So we're going to try to open up these packs today. So yan. And yeah. So yan. Sorry, medyo bago lang ako dito. So hindi ko alam kung paano, how does this work. And I might open up this spare Evolutions pack din dito. So yun. Let's try to open up packs today and sana makuha natin yung mahiwagang butiki na yun ni Tyranitar. What? Sana ay pagpalain tayo na makuha natin yun. At syempre kahit pa paano maidagdag sa ating collection. So yun, today, sorry, nagtataglish na ako. Medyo bago lang ako dito. So, I'm going to open up packs na for Battle Style. So, simulan na natin dito. Yun, meron pa ako dito. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tatlong Tyranitar forms na covers. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun. So, to be honest, hindi ko na masyadong kilala yung ibang bagong Pokemons kasi after siguro nung gen nila Torchic, I'm not sure, basta Earth, Sun, and Moon hindi ko na siya natapos, so hindi ko na masyadong kilala. So if ever man na may ma-pronounce ako na mali, so correct me na lang. So yun, let's start na. Anong paligoy-ligoy. So let's start with this Tyranitar covers. So yun, sorry, I'm not that typical na opener nitong cards, so I might use scissors. Sorry for that. So yun. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, lightning. So I'm focus ka. Yan. Scroll of Swirls, Buffalant, Crawdont, Zubat. Oh, nag-auto-focus siya. Sorry guys. Yan. Remoraid, Onyx, Mawile, Focus, Cherubi, Victreebel, and a Conkeldurr non-holographic. So yun, medyo tayasin natin sa unang pack natin, pero let's try lang. Try until makuha natin yung inaasam nating butike. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. So hulaan natin. Fire, metal. So yun, out of focus talaga siya guys. Sorry guys, nag-out of focus siya. PB. So Energy, Hitmore, Bellsprout, Bronzor, Murkrow, Horsey, Cherubi, Capubolo Reverse, and an Electivire non-holographic. So yun, medyo sawi tayo kay Tyranitar na art covers. So try ulit natin. Oops, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try to guess it. Fire type. Oh, electric. Oops, it's out of focus. Tool Jammer, Golbat, Gliscor, Tepig, Pachirisu, Enfu, Paltoy, Mr. Mime, Toddler, Reverse Holo, and Claydol non-holographic. So, pang-ina naman natin to. Fourth pack. So far, wala pa tayong holo na nakakuha. So, let's see. Kung may makuha tayo ngayon. Swerte. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric. Uy. Hindi. Phoebe. Sorry for the kindness. Yan. Carnivine. Fomantis. Spearow, Zubat, Evo, Frillish, Entei, and Mimikyu V. Nice. 9 NT rare reverse holo. And then our first V. Mimikyu V. Yeah. At least something new, diba? Something new naman. So let's put a sleeve. Yeah. Mimikyu V. So let's try to open up again. 5th pack. Pag hindi ako satisfied, parang bubuksan ko na lahat to. Joke. So sorry guys, we got interrupted there. Biglang nag-full yung memory ko. So ito na. Our 5th pack. 5th pack. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try to guess it. Let's say leaf. Oh, fire. Kanina puro fire sinasabi ko. Hindi naman lumalabas. So yun. More practice pa talaga. Ay, sorry talaga guys. Ayaw niyo mag-focus.
1 hour later.
And Durant. Luxio. Broglie. Houndor. Shinx. Gligar. Spoink. Bronzor. Luxio. Reverse Holo. And NT Rare Holo. Nice looking card. I don't know if this costs that much, pero lalagay ko na lang dyan yung price na. Dyan. So here. NT Rare Holo. Our first holo for today. So, not bad. So, this is our 6th pack. So, yeah. So, sorry, I kept those codes for me. Joke. Pero I might give away those codes. Malay nyo, diba? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say lightning. So, mali yan naman. So, it's hard to focus this camera. Yan. Cheryl, Bisharp, Roly-Coly, Frillish, Esper, Blipbug. It's Blipbug, Silicobra, Scatterbug, and who's this? Durantis. Okay, Durantis for the holo. It's Durantis. So another Tyranitar. Clover. Actually, medyo malas tayo dito kay Tyranitar and Clover. So yun. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Leaf. Sorry for that. Leaf. It's psychic. So makasama ka. Cacturne, Level Ball. Energy. Single Strike Energy. Uy, Galarian Slowpoke. Fomantis. Remoraid. Cubone. Medyo names na nag-autofocus. Ponyard, Spearow, and Galarian Mr. Mime. Oh. Medyo malas tayo dito ngayon Medyo malas tayo ngayon. Well, this is the last Battle Stars pack. So far, ito yung gusto kong i-open up So, yun. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see kung swertehin. So, it's fire. It's Toddler. Doublade. Ignite. Spoink. Galarian Mr. Mime. Scatterbug. Yep, it's Scatterbug. Oh, please, focus. Yeah, Scatterbug. Yumper, Lickitung, Reverse Holo Camping Gear, and wow! Final Pack Magic. Empoleon V, Rapid Strike. Yon. At least we get this card.
Nice.
At least we get something. So, yun. You put it on the sleeve to make sure that it's nice and clean. The centering is Oh, it's quite off-centered, but still an Empoleon V Rapid Strike. Not bad. So hindi natin nakuha si Butike. Pero let's try to open up these 2 evolutions pack. Sana medyo swertehin tayo dito. May isa pa tayong Butike na gustong makuha. Siyempre, yung kulay orange. So I guess for this packs, alam ko is 3 lang yata. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So yan. Let's see. Focus. Yeah, Potion. Magmar. Venusaur. Spirit Link. A Charmander. Not bad. Rattata. Caterpie. Magnemite. Voltorb. A Metapod. And an Electrode. Electrode. An Electrode. There's too much Electrode in this box. So I guess this is the last pack for evolutions. 1, 2, 3. I need to get something for this last pack of evolutions. It's Coughing. Misty's Determination. Revive. Another Charmander. Psychic Energy. Oh, a Pikachu. Growlithe. Matchup. Ooh, Charmander Reverse Holo, and for the Mewtwo EX. Wow! Gorgeous looking card, right? Mewtwo EX. Yeah. So let's have some sort of recap here. So for the Reverse Holos, we have some good cards, so it's not bad at all. So we have this Reverse Holo Charmander. We have this Metapod Reverse Holo, Spearow Reverse Holo, Scatterbug Reverse Holo, Luxio Reverse Holo, Victreebel Reverse Holo, Tapu Bulu Reverse Holo, Dottler Reverse Holo, Entei Reverse Holo, and for this for the holos, we only got 1 holographic, so it's Entei holographic. Not bad though. Entei, it's quite a good looking card. So we have the reverse holo version of it, and we have the holo version of it. So yeah, nice looking cards. And then we got this Mimikyu V, this Empoleon Rapid Strike V, Empoleon V Rapid Strike, good looking card also. And this gorgeous Mewtwo EX from Evolutions. Oh my god! Wow! So yun guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully, i-like, paki-share na rin yung video, and feel free to comment if you are interested on some cards, especially for the Evolutions pack. And masasabi ko, this is quite an interesting pack opening, and this is not so bad. Actually, it's good, diba? Not so bad pack opening. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Please hit that like button and share nyo rin sa friends nyo na mahilig, sa mga mahilig sa Pokemon cards. So yun, thank you everyone. Keep safe and God bless everyone.